Foggy.
Very foggy. Hi, Olga.
Hi, good morning. Yes, it is really foggy out there. So if you're starting to head out the door, be careful because we are looking at this dense fog advisory. Actually, LA County, it just expired at 7 a.m., but we are still looking at some of that sticking around, so still some limited visibility out there. Temperatures right now on the mild side at 32 Lancaster, 52 LA, 45 Ontario, and 58 in Riverside, but things are definitely going to be warming up. Here's that limited visibility still out there, so definitely want to slow things down, take it easy, turn on the low beams, and just be careful out there. This is going to start lifting though by this afternoon. We're expecting some hazy sunshine and yes, plenty of warmth today. 68 to 73 degrees for LA County is what we're expecting. Some upper 60s out there by the coast, but we're looking at an increase of about a good 5 to 8 degrees today from yesterday. 66 to 78 degrees for Orange County. Yeah, Yorba Linda, you're going to be at 78 degrees today. For the Inland Empire, 72 to 77 to places like Corona today, down to the 60s by 8 o'clock. And for Ventura County, 67 by the coast and 71 in places like Ojai. So we'll talk about the week ahead. Yes, there is a chance of some rain in the forecast for this weekend. So we'll talk about that coming up.
Rosa.
I know that always starts us
Olga,
off.
I knew it was coming. I set it up. I did the voice for it.
You did.
Yeah.
You did.
Oh.
But
We weren't on that train.
I was sleepy when I came in this morning, and then Olga walked in the
Well,
room.
it's a highlighter.
And boom!
I woke you
Yes.
up with a highlighter dress.
By the way, we both have the same dress. That dress. H&M, baby.
Yes. Maybe one day we'll coordinate and just kind of wear
That
it.
might be a little much.
think-
And
Olga.
Steve
I
will wear a
think you
pink
dressed
tie.
to you're matching the weather map. Take a look.
I know. I do match the winter storm watch or the blizzard watch, one of those. Yeah, but this is what we're watching. The East Coast set to get this massive storm starting tomorrow into Saturday night. That's going to be the height of it. We are looking at some really severe conditions out there. So the winter storm warning, the blizzard watch, we're looking at blizzard-like conditions because we're expecting some really heavy snow out there. We're talking about 1.5 feet, even up to 2 feet, some blowing snow, some very strong winds. So we could get some also limited visibility. We could get some whiteout conditions. So if you have any travel planned either out to the East Coast or coming back here, you want to check your carrier because we are looking at some very dangerous conditions out there. Again, height of it Friday afternoon into late Saturday. For us, though, extremely different story. We're looking at high pressure building into our area. So we're looking at some light Santa Ana winds as well as some warm temperatures for today. We're going to get into those 70s for a lot of our areas. We saw a little bit of that yesterday, places like Pasadena, Woodland Hills, getting up to 70 degrees. But today, a lot of places will be in the 70s. 63 on Monday for downtown Los Angeles, but today we're expecting 72, so 4 degrees above that average of 68, and a lot of places will actually get into those upper 70s, places like Riverside, 76 degrees, 72 San Gabriel, 74 in Fullerton. Yorba Linda is going to be one of those really hot spots. 78 is the expected daytime high. A little cooler out there in the Antelope Valley, only 62 for Palmdale, but here's that 7-day forecast. We do have rain in the forecast. That's going to be for Saturday. So again, more of that rain is going to be happening on Friday up on the Central Coast, Northern California. For us, though, by the time it gets down to us by Saturday morning, we're looking at about 1/10 of an inch or so. As we head towards next week, we do get a little bit of a warm up once again, and those 70s return into our forecast. I'll send it back to you. Hi, good morning, and we are looking at a warm day today. We're talking mid-70s for a lot of our inland areas, so great day on tap today. 37 right now in Lancaster, 58 in LA, 56 Ontario, and 48 in Idlewild right now. Here's where we're watching some light Santa Ana winds. We have high pressure that continues to build across our area. That's really going to warm us up today. We're talking about 5 to 8 degrees warmer than yesterday, so well above our seasonal normals. We do still have another storm out here in the Pacific. That's going to start bringing some rain to Northern California, to the Central Coast. That's going to be by tomorrow. For us, it's going to be by Saturday morning throughout the day, but very light. We're talking about 1/10 of an inch or so, maybe 1/4 of an inch for our mountains. So not any kind of significant rainfall expected over the weekend. Temperatures today, though, are going to be fantastic. 74 Fullerton, 76 Riverside, 72 degrees in Woodland Hills. It is still pretty foggy out there. That dense fog advisory continues for portions of Orange County. That already expired for LA County, but still, definitely be careful as you're heading out the door because we do have some limited visibility, especially a little further south, Orange County into San Diego. Temperatures, yes, they are going to start cooling as we head towards the weekend. Again, that chance for rain on Saturday. Some lingering moisture into the evening time, but mostly for the mountains. And then we do start warming up again as we head towards Tuesday and Wednesday with those 70s returning back into our extended forecast. I'll send it back to you.